Okay, here I am in Atlanta, Georgia here. I don't know what they're doing in the telephone center. Mary, you gonna give me a speech on this thing? No. Oh. Miss Doss businesses. Grace.
On Sunday, where does she live? In Lincoln.
You know, one night that, and if you want to work it, you can go to plane or cross the corner. And just right here.
But do you think they'll be working?
They all are. I mean, if you want to get involved in it.
I want to get involved.
But let me tell you one. This is your first time trying to get into this?
Yeah.
You go exhibit, and then you have to see there. One person will stay there and work with the customer, and the other person will go and see all the other things. And so you can find out what's selling. And get try to find correlate contacts and meet some of the difference. That's the first thing to do. Because just right here, you can idea what they're buying. And frankly, a lot of the buyers do come here. The third reason that you'd want to do something like this is because these people sometimes will not buy from you. It's the best.
I have to definitely use this for business purposes or I can't write it off as a business expense here.
Why do you want to taste it?
We were just getting ready, we're adding another marketing rep. We're trying to figure out how to lay them in our offices and things. No, I'm serious. Now, I'm curious, who decided on you guys answering the phone? Was that a district manager thing? Where you asked them about who's their marketing, what do you have to say, marketing consultant?
John Parker.
Who's he? District?
He's our Remton.
What's his name?
John Parkhurst.
John Parker. Where's he located in Atlanta?
Chattanooga. No, Goodlettsville.
Goodlettsville, which is right outside Nashville.
What does he cover? Georgia? Well, he doesn't cover all of Georgia because John Butler has some of it.
Well, he's in the Atlanta area, that much.
He has Atlanta, Alabama, part of Alabama down to Birmingham and Tennessee, and I don't think he has Memphis. And then they just stretched him up, and he may be up in your area.
No. Oh, see, I'm over in Columbia. I have John Butler. Yeah. It doesn't make sense because John Butler's way down in Florida, you know. Yeah. Once every. I was, unless he did something naughty. No. Good gracious.
What you first do, though, is go out
What a nice stock room we got here. Got all these chairs over here. Here we are in Dallas, Texas. You can imagine. What'd you get? Tomato?
No, it's like fish.
Check that.
This is
Very-
$1.75 worth.
Pretty expensive tomatoes. Start recording down there. That girl, she's backed up behind that column down there. Must be an elite Williams. How much is that one? You know, when we walked off that thing, I started to pick up a Coke that had a big old stack of them. If I'd asked that girl, she said, sure, you can have one. You just put it. Hey, I like that. We get out here polluted.
Place drinks on the airplane.
Some of those bucket chicken. You call that cheap?
Here's $5.
Yeah, I mean, well, the thing to do is to take you a cooler if you're gonna.
Yeah. He was sitting there bringing out a cooler with our
You seen that one guy got off? He had his cooler with him.
I've seen people take like
It holds 1 6-pack real nice and tight in that little thing. Here we are on this 28th day of July in Sacramento, California. 11:44 a.m. Have a nice little espresso here. I got refills.
Back to Carolina time.
Yeah, really. I thought it was going to be the other way around. I don't know what I was thinking.
So no wonder I'm starving.
You guys are sweating in the heat out there in Columbia at 11:45, and here we are at 8:45 in the morning.
How many people don't sit there watching back there? We used to sit there.
Yeah.
Trouble is, I set my alarm on mine. I can't figure out how to turn it off.
So it's going to go off in the middle.
No, I think I was able to change the time of the alarm, so it's around 10 or so.
You have to learn how to reach out to the history and stuff.
Yeah, I know. Here we have these famous people. Yeah. We have these famous people from Pennsylvania. Diane and George out of the Harrisburg office of the State Department of Education.
Pictures in the post office is already.
Here's the Payless she mentions.